Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to upload folder in Google Drive. Uploading a folder in Google Drive can be a time saver for those who need to upload multiple files at once. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to upload a folder to your Google Drive account. To begin, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you are not already logged in, then sign into your Google account. Or if you are logged into Google, you can enter the Drive by clicking on the symbol in the top right and clicking on the Drive icon. Once you are logged in, this is the main interface of Google Drive. Click on the New button located on the top left-hand side of the screen. Before uploading, create a new folder like this. Together, I give the name Test. After that, I uploaded the file to the folder I created. Click on it. Click on the New button located on the top left-hand side of the screen. And select Folder Upload from the drop-down menu. Click on it. Navigate to the folder you want to upload and select it. We want to upload this folder when it's on the desktop. So select this folder one. Once you have selected the folder, click on the Upload button to begin the upload process. This folder contains 7 files, so click on Upload. Depending on the size of folder, it may take some time to upload. You can monitor the progress of the upload in the bottom right corner. Less than a few minutes left. Once the upload is complete, the folder will be available in your Google Drive account. So this is the folder we have just uploaded. Folder 1. Click to open it. You can see this folder contains 7 files, so that's how to upload a folder in Google Drive. Another way to upload to Drive is drag and drop. As in the video, you can upload a file by dragging the file you want to upload and dropping it into the Drive. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.